Mucha, candidate number 1, was born on December 23, 2002. She is 21-year-old. Final statistics 32, 26, 32. Ladies and gentlemen, Mucha, candidate number 1, all the way from Asansol. That's mid-2003.
Ka-birthday
And 20-year-old.
Ka-birthday September 4th.
Final statistics 22, 25, 34. Mucha, candidate number 2, all the way from Ordaneta City. Our Mucha, thank you very much. Mucha, candidate number 2. She's 18-year-old. Vital statistics 32, 26, 34. Ladies and gentlemen, Mucha, candidate number 3, all the way from Binalonan, Pangasinan. Mucha number 3
Pala rin naman.
is no other than Mari. Was born August 7, 2006. 17 years old.
So
Vital
nakupitan niya.
statistics 35, 24, 36. From San Fernando 1, Puzurubio, Pangasinan. Ladies and gentlemen, Mucha, candidate number 4 is no other than Angel Valdez. As he goes right now, ladies and gentlemen, once again, Mucha, candidate number 4, candidate number 5, was born March 2, 2001. She is 33 years old. Vital statistics 32, 26, 32. Mucha, candidate number 5, all the way from Alcala, Pangasinan. Mucha, candidate number 5 is no other than Erica Jane Nevade. So once again, ladies and gentlemen, Mucha, candidate number 5, Erica Jane Navale. Mucha, candidate number 6, was born on April 28, 2004, and 20-year-old. Final statistics 32,
Sa dara ni Barbie.
26, 36. Ladies and gentlemen, Mucha, candidate number 6, all the way from San Fernando City. Mucha, Mucha, candidate number 2. Very gracious, Agakayan.
Sam.
Mucha, candidate number 3. Maria Angel and Elsa Entrada. Ladies and gentlemen, Mucha, candidate number 4. Miss Angel Valdez. Mucha, candidate number 5, Erica Jane Navale. And to complete our 6 lovely ladies and gentlemen, Mucha, candidate number 6, Rosa Katrina Balsida. There you have, ladies and gentlemen, our 6 lovely ladies in their evening gown. Who will be our best in the evening gown? So for the information of everybody, the major sponsors for this Mucha ng San Fernando 220. So please pick one. Okay, judge number 3, no other than Ma'am Pamela Marie Mangsa.
Okay, so good evening po sa lahat and good evening. Candidate number 1. And by the way, congratulations to all the beautiful ladies who joined this pageant tonight. So here's your question, contestant number 1. So, what is the best lesson you've learned from tonight's pageant that could inspire other women to join the pageant like this?
Thank you for that question. I think the lesson that I can learn from today's pageant is to always do more so that you can improve more. Maybe tonight I have something that is less on what you see on our candidates. But if I realize that if I can do more in the next pageant, then I will become a better person than I am today. So I think that the lesson that I learn and will help the other people is that in everything that you do, always do your best. However, if it is not enough to other people, then maybe there is a potential hiding in you that can be maximized to the next event or activity that you can do. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Mucha, candidate number 1. And now, Mucha, candidate number 2. How are you tonight, candidate number 2?
Okay.
Okay, I have a question. Marites tayo. My boyfriend?
Hello.
Nandito siya? Wala. Okay, pick your judge.
Wala.
Judge number 1, the chairman of the board of judges, other than Darren De La Cruz.
Hello, good evening. First things first, I just want to greet each and every one. A pleasant evening. And to the ladies, congratulations. To be honest, sa lahat ng mga nag-judge ako na pageant, ito yung pinaka-nahirapan ako kasi walang itulak kami din sa kanila. And ayun, to the sangguniang kabataan ng San San Fernando One, salamat for inviting us. Thank you for making us part of this program. And thank you for giving us the hardest task, actually. So here's our question number 2. Are you ready? So who do you think is the most influential person in your life and why? I'll repeat. Let's see. Who do you think is the most influential person in your life and why?
The biggest influential in my life is my mother. I see her through ups and downs, and with that, I will be able to be stronger near in the future, just like my mother. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, candidate number 2. How about candidate number 3?
Inana mo
Wow.
nga talaga, parent mo.
Who are you tonight, candidate number 3?
Kabado po.
Abado. You have a boyfriend?
Wala po.
Wala. Ayan, wala tayo. Okay. Pick one.
Natawanan? 20.
Judge number 2. Mawala din Sir Benji Fabio.
Alright, so good evening everyone. I would like to take this opportunity to thank the Barangay Council and Sangguniang Kabataan of San Fernando. So thank you for having me in your Barangay Fiesta. So
May
candidate
sa
number
sapatos. Ulo
3,
din sapatos mo.
here's your question.
Sapatos na yun, Jay.
What do you think is the biggest problem facing teens today? Again, I repeat.
May sama sa
What do you think is the biggest problem facing teens today?
Thank you for that wonderful question. I think po,
Tagalog.
So, your question, what do you think is the biggest problem facing teens today?
Big problems face today.
Ada pa yung baga na things.
Yeah, things.
I think po, ang mga problema po ng mga teens today is yung
Ay, teens.
teens pregnancy po. Hindi po na nila nalilimit yung disiplina po nila sa sarili nila and
Awan. Huh?
I feel spectacular, honestly, kasi I was able to represent my home barangay, which is the Barangay San Fernandoan, in this wonderful event and pageant po. Thank you.
Wow, congratulations. Okay, Judge number 1, honored our chairman of the Board of Judges, Sir Dina Cruz.
Hello. So here's your question. Ready? So if this is your last day on earth, who is the last person you wanna hug and why? I'll repeat.
Parents.
If this is your last day on earth, who is the last person you wanna hug and why?
The last person I want to hug, if this was my last day on earth, is my mom and dad. My mom and dad was always there for me, even when I was young. They gave me life, they birthed me, they dressed me, and they helped me grow into this woman that I am today. I want to give them back. I want to give back what I have. All of my achievements, accomplishments are all for them. I want them to feel that I love them, and that I would never feel this spectacular in me if it wasn't for them. I want to hug them
Kaya
because
ginabunot na nga question.
I want to thank them because if it weren't for them, I wouldn't be here standing in front of you today answering this question. And maybe if God lets me, I wouldn't be here winning this pageant if it weren't for them. Thank you.
Thank you very
Alright, candidate number 5, here's your question. Tell us about the challenge that you have experienced and how you overcame it. I repeat, tell us about the challenge that you experienced and how you overcame it.
How you?
when I reached the age of 20,
Kuan, Jay.
I faced a lot of problems and struggles in life. But especially my heart, because I know that I have here with me my friends, my family, and my loved one. And that helps me to overcome the problem and struggles in my life. Thank you.
Mayat time.
There you have it, ladies.
Work hard and work smart. What would it be and why? Again, I repeat the question. If you were to choose between work smart and work hard, what would it be and why?
As a virtue of being a woman and as a beginners of taking a risk, the meaning of this hard work, smart and hard work, it means like you are pursuing your dreams. And I will choose them because I am a breadwinner in my family. Being a hardworking student is very hard for me because I am receiving a negative and I'm very tired of it. But most of the time, if you have this work smart, you can pursuing your dreams with possibility and capability. With this way, you can help provide your needs and wants. Being smart and being hard work is just like me. And with that, I want to eradicate and annihilate not just an individual and as a whole. Thank you.